Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. In today's YouTube video, I'm breaking down the 5 core apps that I personally use and recommend to run a professional cleaning business in 2026. These are the systems that help you stay organized, look legitimate, and stop running your business manually. Let's get into it. If you are running a cleaning business or planning to start one, I need you to understand this clearly. Cleaning is the service, but systems are the business. In 2026, clients expect professionalism before they ever speak to you. They want to find you online, understand what you offer, see that you are legitimate, contact you easily, and get fast responses. If your business is still being run through personal text messages, random notes, or memory, you are not just overwhelmed, you are losing money, credibility, and opportunities. Today, I'm walking you through the exact 5 applications I use and recommend to operate a real cleaning business. I'm going to explain what each one does, how much it costs, why it's worth it, and how all of them work together as one complete system. Let's start with the foundation. Quo. Quo, formerly known as Open Phone, is the business phone system I recommend, and it should be set up from day one. Quo is sponsoring this portion of the video, but it's a tool that I have been sharing for a while. This is where I see a lot of cleaning business owners lose money without even realizing it. Missed calls and missed messages equal missed revenue. If a client can't reach you, they are going to find somebody else to do the job. Quo provides a business phone number separate from your personal phone. And calls, texts, voicemails, and customer notes all stay in one place on the Quo app on mobile or desktop, so you and your team have visibility. You're not guessing where messages are, and you're not missing follow-ups. If you have a team, everyone can see the same conversation. Nothing gets lost. You can also set up an IVR, known as your call flow in Quo, so when somebody calls, it feels like they're calling an established company. You can even customize phone menus to route differently before or after business hours, during holidays, and so on. I also really like the call recording feature. I can go back, listen to what the client actually said, and read a summary to review details before quoting. As a cleaning business owner, you might be on site, driving, or managing your team. Sometimes you can't answer a call the second it comes in, but you also can't afford to lose clients because of that. And when you can't answer, Sona can. Sona is Quo's AI-powered receptionist that helps catch those calls and send follow-ups so leads don't just disappear. Quo starts as low as $15 per month, which is invaluable compared to losing even one job. There's a free 7-day trial linked below, plus a special discount of 10% off for your first 3 months. Next up is WIX. WIX is where we build and host our websites. This is your 24/7 storefront and the foundation of your online presence. Even when you're cleaning, sleeping, or not answering the phone, your website is working for you. This is often the first place a client decides whether or not they trust your business. A professional cleaning business website must clearly communicate several things. It should clearly list the services you provide, including residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, move in, move out, post-construction, and add-on services. It must clearly show the location and service areas that you cover so clients immediately know if you service their area. It should explain what's included and what's not included in your services to avoid misunderstandings and disputes. It should answer common questions upfront, including supplies, pets, access, parking, cancellation, reschedule, and payment terms. It must provide multiple ways to contact you, including booking forms, call now buttons, phone numbers, live chat, and a call to action. Now let's talk about pricing and how this connects to your systems. For residential cleaning, your website can show pricing structure or starting rates. When a client submits a residential request, that process is integrated directly with Booking Koala, which captures the information and manages the booking workflow. For commercial cleaning, pricing should never be listed. Commercial leads must complete an intake form, and that intake form is also connected directly to Booking Koala, allowing for proper follow-up, walkthrough scheduling, and accurate quoting. Your website funnels your leads. Booking Koala runs the operations. We also professionally build and host WIX websites and integrate them fully with Booking Koala. If you want a professionally built website, click the link in the description to request a free quote. Great news, cleaning family. I have officially launched my Cleaning Business Mentor online community, which is a paid monthly membership to an online community of cleaning business owners from all around the globe. Also included are group coaching calls, some of my online courses, new digital downloads, members only videos, and so much more. If you guys are interested in joining my online community with tons of ongoing support, be sure to go ahead and sign up today. Link in the description of this video. Now let's talk about the system that actually runs this business, Booking Koala. Booking Koala is not just a booking software. It is the operating system of your cleaning business. Once a lead comes in through your website, Booking Koala is where everything lives. This is where you stop running your business through text messages, notebooks, and memory. You control how clients book, what information they must provide, whether bookings require approval, and how quotes are sent. You send professional, branded quotes instead of texting prices. Everything is documented, trackable, and organized. Booking Koala allows you to manage service frequencies like weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, one-time, move-in, move-outs, and post-construction cleanings. Automations handle confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups automatically, reducing no-shows and confusion. Booking Koala starts at $27 per month, which is a great price for replacing manual chaos. One missed job can cost way more than that. There is a 30 free day trial for Booking Koala linked in the description of this video. ADP. ADP is what we use for payroll, HR, compliance, and employee and subcontractor management. And this is extremely important as your business grows. Running payroll incorrectly can get you in serious trouble. ADP helps remove that risk. With ADP, you can handle payroll processing, direct deposit, tax filings and reportings, W-2s and 1099s, employee onboarding, HR compliance, labor law guidance, workman's compensation integration, time and attendance tracking. This is not just about paying people. This is about protecting your business. As you grow, compliance becomes a non-negotiable. ADP helps you stay aligned with state and federal labor laws so you are not guessing or cutting corners. We work directly with Jillian, our dedicated ADP representative who understands the cleaning industry and helps guide setup and support. There is a link in the description to get in touch with Jillian Arthis directly if you want help setting up payroll and HR the right way. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page, fill out a form, and Jillian will get in contact. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI application and one of the most powerful tools I use behind the scenes. There is a free version, which is great for getting started, but it limits how many conversations you can have and how much you can use it. I personally pay for the $20 per month plan, and it's worth every single dollar. ChatGPT is not a replacement for thinking. It is a tool that helps you think better. It is a tool that helps you think better, faster, and more clearly. I use ChatGPT to write professional client communication, create policies and procedures, build SOPs and training guides, draft commercial proposals and scopes of work, prepare sales scripts and objection responses, create marketing content and email campaigns, translate and create bilingual messaging. Learning how to use ChatGPT properly can completely change how you run your business. It helps you stop guessing, stop rewriting, and start operating with structure and confidence. How everything works together. Quo handles calls, texts, IVR, call recording, and Sona. WIX builds and hosts the website and funnels your leads. Booking Koala captures and manages bookings and quotes. ADP manages payroll, HR, and compliance. ChatGPT supports systems, communication, and execution. That is a real cleaning business infrastructure. If you're serious about building a real cleaning business and not just staying busy cleaning, this is where you draw the line. The difference between struggling and scaling is not talent, it's systems. All of the apps that are mentioned have links in the description below. Take advantage of the free trials, set things up correctly, and stop running your business off memory and text messages. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications and join my online community. I'll see you in the next one.